Al Fatiha, the opening surah of the Quran, has an astoundingly amazing structure. It contains not one but 3 rings. The first ring has 4 components: A, B, C, and D. A describes God's relationship with people in this world, while D describes his relationship with them in the afterlife. A uses the term Rabb, translated as Lord, while D uses the term Malik, translated as Master. These are synonyms in the Arabic language, Malik being one of the meanings of the word Rabb. The relationship between B and C is obvious. They are both names of God highlighting his mercy, Rama. For a more detailed comparison, check this video of our Quran Explorer series. Coming towards the third ring. The relationship between A and B is that both of them concern those who are guided, while C and D concern those who are not. What is really interesting is the relationship between A and D and B and C. A concerns guidance, hidayah, while D concerns its antithesis, misguidance or going astray. B concerns a class of people labeled those whom you have favored, while C concerns a class of people labeled those who have earned wrath. Now let's focus on the second ring, that at the central part of the surah, A and B. You alone we worship and you alone we ask for help is the central idea of this surah. By implication, since this surah summarizes the contents of the Quran, the verse embodies the main idea of the entire Quran. It is the relationship of the worshipper, Abid, with his God, Ilah, and of the slave with his Lord, Rabb. It is equivalent to the Muslim declaration of faith: there is nothing worthy of worship except God, La ilaha illallah. A concerns the exclusive worship of God. Now look at the entire first half of the surah ending with A. From all praise are due to God until you alone we worship. The whole first half in fact consists of exactly that, worship of God. B concerns praying exclusively to God for help. Now look at the entire second half of the surah beginning with B. From you alone we ask for help until nor of the astray. The whole second half of the surah actually consists entirely of praying to God for help. Have you ever seen any other speech as amazing as the Quran? Of course you haven't. Get connected to us in our journey through the wonderful world of Quran to experience more of such wonders.